Squash and stretch is the principle that helps describe the weight and mass of an object when acted on by gravity and or other objects. In showing the exact amount that this object can be squashed and stretched, the animator can say something about the nature of this object and its exact characteristics.
Let's take a look at this ball bounce, for example. This ball at the moment does not have any squash and stretch applied to it. So we don't really have enough information on the nature of this ball. It's not really telling me a story yet. The physical characteristics of this ball is also unclear. However, if we add some squash and stretch, this is how it's going to look. If we slow this down, you're going to see when it hits the floor, it squeezes and squishes down. So that's the squash. And then once we go up and go to the highest speed, the ball starts stretching. As it reaches the highest point, it goes back to its normal size. So that's in a nutshell the principle of squash and stretch.
This makes the object more identifiable, believable, and eventually more engaging for the viewer. Now try this principle yourself and let me know your results.